Turning on and off tolls or highways on Google Maps is really easy to do. First thing you do, you open up the app, and once you're actually on the app, before you choose a destination for where you want to go, you just click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. It's just on this pop-up panel. Click on it, and from here, you just want to click on the option that is called Preferences at the very bottom. Where from here, you can choose your preferred direction, whether it be driving, walking, but we want to toggle on or toggle off avoid holes or highways. And as you can see, when it does that, click on X, so it will rearrange your route like so. Changing your default mode of transportation on Apple Maps is really easy to do. First thing you do is once you're on Apple Maps, all you do before you actually choose a route is in the bottom right hand corner, you click on your profile icon. And from here, what you need to do is you click on Preferences at the very bottom. And you can actually choose your directions, whether it be preference, the default that it goes to. And I'm going to choose walking, and then I'm just going to click on a new place that I want to walk to. And it will actually show you in the walking mode of the best directions to get to their new location.